Hey developers, so in this video I'll share how you can set up Tailwind CSS in your projects and how you can use Tailwind CSS without even installing. So if you go to tailwindcss.com and open installation guide, you will find there are a lot of options to install Tailwind CSS. You can use Vite, you can use Post CSS, you can use Tailwind CLI, you can go to framework guides, and you can also play CDN. If you are still not sure how you can install Tailwind CSS in a React application or Vue application, just go to my channel. And here you will find the videos about installing Tailwind CSS in a Vue 3 application, in a React application, and also in a simple HTML CSS file. By the way, I will add links to these videos in the description. So now let's go back to installation guide, and here if you click on play CDN, you just have to copy this script here, and let me copy it, and now let me open VS Code, and here you have to just paste that script. So let me paste it here. Now if I go to my body and if I add h2 and let me add h2 here, and here I can add class names. So let's add class text blue 500, and let me add lorem ipsum here. So let's save this file and let me open this file in the browser. So here you can see the Tailwind CSS working without even installing. So you can use this method, but I'll not encourage you to play with CDN. It's just for development purposes and it may not work on production. So in the next video, I'll share how you can use different font sizes in Tailwind CSS. Till then, take care, goodbye.